Hi, in this video I'll show you how to lock and unlock Photos app in your iPhone and your iPad. So as you can see, currently my Photos app is unlocked, so anyone can easily view and open my Photos app. And now to get the lock feature for your app, you have to update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So first of all, go ahead and update your iPhone and then hard press on Photos app. And here you will find this require Face ID option. So I'm using iOS 18. So you will find this require Face ID from iOS 18 version. Just tap on require Face ID and now tap on require Face ID and just verify your Face ID. Once you successfully verified your Face ID, tap on done. And now on to open your Photos app, you have to verify your Face ID or your passcode. And after that, the Photos app will be unlocked. And to remove password or Face ID from your Photos app, do the same thing. Hard press on Photos app, tap on don't require Face ID and verify your Face ID. And your Face ID lock and passcode lock will be removed from your Photos app. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.